Good day guys, I'm going to discuss the electric motors. What is the electric motor? It is a machine that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy by means of electromagnetic induction. This is a sample pictorial view. This coil in the left side, and there are the types of electric motor. First, the DC motor. It is a device having a power source of direct current which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. The sample pictorial view. Components of DC motors. The DC series motor. A motor that contains field coils composed of a few turns of wire connected in series with the armature. This motor has high starting torque and a variable speed characteristics. The greater the load, the lower speed. The diagram, the series field, the armature. The DC shunt motor, a motor that contains a field composed of many turns of wire, and this is connected in parallel with the armature. It has a medium torque and constant speed characteristics and is used in applications that require constant speed such as drill presser and the lathe machines. The diagram, nasa mabaw ang shunt field o both armature, negative ug positive each side. The DC compound motor, a motor in which each field coil is a combination of the series and shunt fields and made in two sections. One section, series field, is connected in series with the armature, and the other section is connected the shunt circuit. The kaning shunt kay parallel na siya. This motor combines the characteristics of the series and the shunt motor. The diagram below: shunt field, series field, armature. This is the diagram. Second is the AC motor. It is a machine that is run by single phase alternating current which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. The sample pictorial below, the blue object. Synchronous motor, a motor wherein the rotor is strictly connected in the stator field coil which requires an external AC power source to rotate. Ang tunga mo ni rotor, ang kilid stator, ang kaniyelo kay mo ni coil, and they have the terms of each side, each parts. The induction motor differs from the synchronous motor. It means lahi ni siya sa synchronous motor, opposite sa synchronous motor o asynchronous motor. In this, rotor is not connected to any source of power and rotated only by a magnetic field. The diagram below, the centrifugal switch, main winding, the rotors, the center, starting winding, electrolytic capacitor. The three-phase motor, it is a electrical energy that is run by three-phase AC source of power converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. The sample pictorial blue. Three-phase motor, they have the delta connection and star connection. That's all of our discussion of this blog. Read it to the rightful owner. Thank you guys and God bless.